Good evening. My name is Abhishek Harinath Singh. Today's video topic is conditional statement, and today's date is 8 Jan 2024. In Java, conditional statements are utilized to make decisions in a program based on some specific conditions. The main constraints are if, if, else, and else if. These statements allow to the program to execute uh, either is true or false. These are these are valid for the conditions which are applied in the code program that enables the developers to create the logic and to build the logic and to build the logic uh, to respond the to the enable of the program of the input, which further helps in their project project works. So there are four types of conditional statements. First is if else. Second is else if. Third is if else if ladder. Fourth is do while, and fifth is do while. So first, if else. If else statement is written when is if else statement is which in which we write the condition in which we write the condition uh, which we have to apply on the code, apply on the following program that will give us the output. And if we write the condition in that executes the program. Second is else if. else if is else if is executed when the if statement is false. Then after that else if statement is executed. uh, its use is very important in the programming language in Java, because it helps the if statement. After the if statement is false, directly it goes down and checks in the else if condition, and if the else if condition is true, it executes. And uh, another one is else if ladder. In that in that the code is manually checked one by one. When it is true, it works infinitely. When it is true, it works infinitely. Mostly it is uh, mostly it is not used. Most of the use is of if else, because if else is most used conditional statement. It it does not take too much time to execute, and it directly uh, do the it directly gives the output whatever it is, true or either false. And in thank you.